Hey guys, so Xiaomi is about to make a game-changing move. This will change the way you look at your phone. You no longer will see a punch hole display or a notch. Yeah, the Mi Mix 4 is coming with in-screen selfie shooter. Now Xiaomi is not alone in this race. Ice Universe say Oppo, Samsung and even ZTE will be launching their in-display camera phone starting second half this year. Xiaomi is on the safe side, and that's cause Samsung and Oppo are launching their folding phone with no notch, no hole, but I think many are not ready to buy expensive folding phone as of now. Xiaomi with the Mi Mix 4 is coming with a phone-like design, the boxy finish and symmetrical bezel, something I guess many would buy. So now we have the initial specifications of the Mi Mix 4 aka codename Odin, and Xiaomi is also planning to launch a low-end variant with codename Willy. So yeah, a total of 2 devices coming in. They may differ in terms of design cause they both are coming with Snapdragon flagship 888 CPU. Back to the alpha flagship, the Mi Mix 4 specifications says Xiaomi UI found in MIUI code. So likely a Quad HD plus 120Hz display. This is still in testing phase. Yeah, they are testing in between 1080p and 1440p resolution. Likely they'll pick something in between cause it's hard to implement in-screen selfie shooter with high resolution. And not to mention this is an initial product, so I guess they'll move slowly. They say with the Mi Mix 4 you can shoot 8K videos. Xiaomi is using Sony IMX766, and exciting part is with the 48 megapixel telephoto lens they say you can do 120x still image zoom and 15x video zoom. Finally it will support 1920fps slow motion video, which is something great. Xiaomi UI also adds Mi Mix 4 will be Xiaomi's first device with millimeter wave 5G. Yeah, it is, you can say, faster than sub 6 GHz we have right now. So it surely looks like a full hand flagship device. Some news coming in. Xiaomi is announcing the K40 gaming edition with the school lighting system and likely Dimensity 1200 CPU. Launch is happening in a few days and it is coming to India and China. Xiaomi is also announcing some tablets with massive 8000 mAh battery. So yeah, many devices are coming in. This all guys, thanks so much for watching and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.